Can I link my PSN account to another EA account after unlinking it from the current one?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very popular question asked by many gamers. Can I link my PSN account to another EA account after unlinking it from the current one? The short answer is yes, you can, but there are some steps to follow and things you need to keep in mind.
Unlinking your PSN from the current EA account.
The first step in this process is unlinking your PlayStation Network (PSN) account from your current EA account. To do this, you will need to get in touch with EA support. They will need to verify your identity and confirm that you are the rightful owner of the accounts. Important: please remember that any progress or purchases made on the current EA account will not be transferred over to the new EA account.
Creating a new EA account, if necessary.
If you don't already have a new EA account to link to, you will need to create one. Make sure you use an active email address that you have access to, as you will need it for the verification process.
Linking your PSN to a new EA account.
Once your PSN account is unlinked from the previous EA account and you have a new EA account ready, you can proceed to link the PSN account to the new EA account. When you log into an EA game on your PlayStation with your new EA account, you should be prompted to sign in to your PSN account. Once you do that, your PSN will be linked to the new EA account. Important: make sure that you're not currently logged into any EA games during this process to avoid any potential issues. So there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your PSN account from your current EA account and link it to a new one. Remember, patience is key in this process as some steps might take a little time to complete. Happy gaming, and we hope this video was helpful to you.